Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Scorpios, okay, for the month of May 2020. But before that, I just want to tell you that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing is if you want to help us with the donation via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the caption above. If you want to learn 10 days tarot learning workshop through WhatsApp video call, Skype video call and Zoom video calls, the details are given in the description box below. You can enroll. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to if you would talk about Vasol giveaways, okay, so we are giving 5 personal readings for Vasol giveaways for the month of May, and the winners will be announced in the first week of June on my live session on my Facebook page, Vasol Tarot Prediction. So for that, you have to like my videos on my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction, you have to comment in any one of the videos that is hashtag Vasol giveaway, and you have to take the screenshot of that and you have to send us via Gmail. The Gmail link is given in the description box below, okay. And the last and the most important thing is that we are coming up with weekly live sessions, okay, from Monday to Sunday on daily basis between 2 to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time on my Facebook page, Vasol Tarot Prediction, okay. So kindly follow me over there also, because if I'll be live, I'll be able to answer to your questions, okay. So yes. So on Monday there is earth signs, on Wednesday it is fire sign, on Friday on Friday it is air sign, and on Sunday it is water signs. Oh, okay, yes. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, kindly like my channel, subscribe to my channel and share it further. And yes, one more important thing, this is a general reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, okay. And kindly comment down below if you like this reading, and if this resonated with you, what kind of more videos you want me to upload, okay. So yeah, this is the reading for the month of May 2020. Let's check it out. Okay, we'll be taking out 9 cards, the past, the present and the future, okay. In the past, there is some connection which because of which you are feeling burdensome, okay. There is a conflict going on between your heart and head and heart, okay. So you are feeling very burdensome. Conflicts are going on. Either you walked away from a person or that person walked away from you. You are not in a connection. You are separated, or else you might be in a connection but you are into different location, and confusion, fights, conflicts happened between you guys, and that's why you got separated in the past. So yeah, something is there. Yeah, in the past. Let me clarify more. Yeah, ending of some sort happened because of there was no proper communication, there was no proper clarity. Ending really happened, okay. And you actually felt very worried, depressed and sad in the past, okay. And that was, you also were stuck on this person, okay. And that was your past feeling. Let me check out what are your current feelings, okay. So there is a tarot movement happening, demolishing of a bad cycle or a situation. But before that, I feel that the energy which you had in the past, you are carrying out in the present situation, okay. And you are still stuck up. That is like you are going back and forth, and one day you feel that you're very good, you can move away, you can move forward into your life, and the other day you are like, you are still waiting for this person to come into your life, okay. You are still analyzing, you are still thinking, you are still contemplating about this person, because you feel that that person was very much appropriate with it. You wanted a life with that person, okay. So yeah, but you are thinking a lot about that person. You try to move away from this connection. You actually try moving from this connection to the other connection, but you cannot, because you know you are going back and forth. Yeah. Yes, some sort of ending took place in the past, and that's why you are feeling, you are being alone, you're feeling depressed, sad, lot of emotional baggage is there into your life presently. You're feeling very emotional pain. You want to move, you want some sort of movement in your future, but you cannot, because you're just going back and forth with this connection. Okay, you're still waiting for this person to come into your life, but you know, you're just stuck up, lot of stuck up energy, guys. It's there, lot of stuck up energy when it comes to your, you know, this commitment. Yeah, you're still trapped into your head, you're still confused into your head. Sometimes you still feel that, you know, am I can I live without this person or not? So yeah, practically you can, but you know, sometimes this comes actually into your mind. Yeah, sometimes you are just like, I'm no more interested into this person, and I'm not going to invest into this connection anymore. Okay, and the other day you are like, you are feeling trapped, depressed, sad, lonely with this person. Yes, you are manifesting this connection, you still want this connection to come up into your life. You are feeling heartbroken, rejected, you are feeling that, you know, some sort of heartbreak, emotional pain, emotional unfulfillment is there with this connection for sure. Okay, you are daydreaming about this person, you are waiting for this person, you're not trying to be intuitive, you are trying to manifest it, but you are unable to do it. Okay, and yeah, but yeah, you have a lot of stuck energy in the past and into the current situation. Okay, and I feel that with this nine of pentacles, that universe is telling you to focus on yourself, which you are not doing, you are ignoring it. Okay, you are not allowing this kind of pain, rejection to accept. Okay, there's lack of acceptance into your life. You are feeling heartbroken, but you are not accepting it. You want to move forward, but you are not accepting and allowing the universe to happen. Okay, so some sort of lack of acceptance is there in the current situation. Okay, which is really bad, because you are not thinking to accept. Okay, you are not accepting it. Okay, yes, you wanted this connection very much from your heart. Okay, but some sort of ending took place. Okay, and in the upcoming future is that you are you know, taking some sort of decision of moving forward into your life, and I feel you will be moving forward from this connection. No more thinking about it, no more stuck up about this energies, on this energy. You will be focusing on yourself, or I feel that you will be standing into your own power, moving away from this connection. And yes, you are no more thinking about this connection, because the lovers and the reverse in the upcoming future, you won't be thinking about it. Okay, you won't be distressing about it. You are walling up yourself. You are not giving a fuck. You won't be giving a fuck about it in the upcoming weeks. Okay, in the upcoming future. Okay, so you will be walling up yourself for this. Okay, you will be just thinking about yourself. Yes, wheel of abundance. Okay, so you will be focusing on yourself, and once you start focusing on yourself, I think there is some sort of distraction coming onto your way. There is some sort of like, you are thinking, I feel, you know, you have a lot of stuck energy, and I feel to move away from one connection, you will be going out for either one night stand, or you will be hanging out with someone else. Okay, and that is a kind of distraction you will be doing in the upcoming weeks or upcoming months. Okay, just to remove this connection from your heart and mind. Okay, because right now currently a lot of conflicts is going on between heart and mind. Okay, so for removing this kind of connection from your heart and mind, you will be focusing on someone else, someone new. Okay, and you'll be going on one night stand or hanging out with someone else. Okay, and during that time it will be helpful for you in a way that this connection will be removed from your head and heart. Okay, yes, some sort of, I feel that, you know, once this energy goes away, you will be back into your own path, thinking about yourself. You will be releasing, see, there is 5 of cups. Okay, so the the cups which are spelled out, you won't be thinking about it. You will be, focusing on the other two cups here. Okay, yeah, you are being patient. You'll be patient enough in the upcoming weeks for sure. Okay, you won't be feeling distressed or depressed or lonely, or no more conflicts into your head and mind. Okay, you will be releasing all of it. You won't be thinking about this connection anymore, because there's someone new will be entering into your life. And this is just, I feel that you're just using a way to remove this connection from your head and moving on to someone else just for a particular time, and during that process you will be forgetting about this person. Okay, so yes, so a lot of stuck up energy will be there, but yeah, you will be releasing it for sure. Okay, no more be thinking about everything. No, you won't be thinking about this connection anymore. Okay, you will be moving forward. You will be distracting yourself either in your finances, business, or money, or to work on yourself, or else distracting yourself and shifting your mind on some other new person. Okay, so yeah, you won't be feeling depressed, lonely, sad. You won't be stuck up. You will be releasing all those energies. You will be working hard to building up your own empire. You will be moving away from all the conflicts which is happening. Okay, focusing on yourself. You are believing, hoping, healing. Okay, and I think currently also healing is going on, but not at that level. But in the upcoming future, a lot of healing, believing and hoping will be there when it comes to new life, new beginning into the upcoming weeks. Okay, so you will be feeling, you will be feeling that you have to go somewhere where there is equal give and take in a relationship or a commitment. Okay, so you will be, there might be someone new coming into your life, and you might be offering a cup of love to them, or they will be. So it would be just for for a temporary period, moving a lot of obstacles from your life, taking an action towards something useful, something great, releasing all the sadness, burden, pain from your life and mind. No more confused, no more depressed, no more weighing up the pros and cons, because you know what you have to do. Ultimately you'll be standing into your own power. Okay, no more holding back, just moving forward into your life, moving away from deception, dishonesty, problems, whatever you had in the past and current situation. You are moving away from all those things, shining bright, going for the new cup, shining bright, moving forward towards it. No more thinking about the connection, thinking about the new one. Wow. You will be standing in your own power, authoritative figure. No more weighing up pros and cons, because you have taken your decisions, or you will be taking your decision in the upcoming weeks. No more waiting, going for your decisions. No more waiting will be there. You'll be taking your own decisions, thinking about your own decisions. Okay, so yes, a lot of stuck energy is there for this month. Don't feel sad, don't feel demotivated, because I feel that new energies will be coming in the upcoming months, in the June, Scorpios. Okay, so don't feel sad, depressed, or lonely. Okay, so yeah, let's meet in the month of June. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction. And if you want to help me with the donation link is given in the description box below. Thank you so much. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Thank you so much, guys.